I know we're just chilling, but my body is on a mission. Now if I'm with you, did I forget to mention your love is out this world, it's in another dimension. I wanna flow through just to be with you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and God bless you guys. So today's video is going to be a wig review, okay? I know you guys probably saw this hair already because I was wearing this hair in the new 21 Day Meal Plan times Janielle collaboration. You guys need to go and check that video out. I'll put it in the description box below so you guys can go and check it out and join in, all that jazz. We're giving away 2 Beats by Dre's. How bomb is that? So you guys go and check that out. But I thought to myself, you know what? You guys are probably gonna ask me a million times where I got this hair from. What hair is this? And the company sent it to me so I can do a review for you guys. So what better time to let you guys know than now. But first, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as thumbs up. I'm already doing the thumbs up. As well as thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time that I do upload another video. Okay guys, let's get started. Alright, so this hair is from a company called Asteria. So it's called Asteria hair, and it looks like this. This is what the box looks like. I know it looks kind of weird because when white gets on the camera, it just gets all crazy. Yeah, so that's what the box looks like. And this hair that I'm wearing, I want to make sure I get this right for you guys. So the hair that I'm wearing is called the Deep Wave Lace Front Wig, and it is 24 inches. The density is 250, and it's in the color black. So I absolutely love it, you guys. The only thing that I did was pluck the middle of this hairline because I wanted it to look more realistic. So I plucked the middle of the hairline, and as you can see, the hair is super soft. It's not tangly at all, which is really good. I know that with curly, like wavy hair, it could get tangly and your fingers can get caught in it, but honestly, I'm showing you guys right now, my fingers go right through the hair, which is amazing. When you get the hair, you get the hair in this box, like I said, and when you open the box, it comes into this little like pouch right here. And the hair comes in, yeah, it comes in the pouch. Duh, I just said that. The hair now is wrapped in this net, as what all like wigs, you know, are wrapped in. It's wrapped in the net, and then this is in the bag, and it tells you the inches. I thought it was 24. My bad, it is a 20 inch, not a 24 inch. So yeah. Also too, you get a pair of lashes. Now I want to talk about these lashes, okay? Let me show you guys what these lashes look like. These are actually bomb legit lashes, because normally when companies give you lashes, they are like dolly lashes. Like, you know the dolls that like when you lie it down, the eyes go down, and when they flip up, the eyes flip up and they're like straight and hard and black. They normally give out lashes like that, okay? But this company gave out these nice mink 3D hair lashes, which I think is actually so bomb. And I can't wait to wear these. So yeah, I was shook when I saw them in the box. This is actually really good. So yeah, they give you that. I will put the price of the hair here for you guys, and the name of the hair also down in the description box below. You guys will also have all the information. I'll put all the information there. So like I said, the hair is 20 inches. Now when you do get the hair, it's very tightly curled. You're gonna be like, this is not what I asked for. Because I remember when I saw the hair first, I was like, huh? Like, I was a little bit just a little confused because the hair was very tightly curled. But once I put my fingers through it and got rid of it, it turned out exactly like this, which I really like. Also too, when you do put your fingers through it the first time, it's gonna get frizzy, and I don't like frizzy curly hair. I like for it to be big but not frizzy where there's like, you know, like little strands everywhere. I like it to be, you know, still together even though it's still big. So you want to just add water. When I added water to this, it just brought it right back, but not as curly not as curly as when I first got it, if that makes any sense. So yeah, and I just put a little bit of hairspray in it just to keep the curls, you know, intact and not disappear or whatever, even though it wouldn't disappear, but I just wanted it to just have some hairspray in it to keep it just where it is. I mostly put the hairspray at the top, to tell you the truth, because I wanted the top of my hair to be as flat as possible. Okay, so it's 20 inches, so it's about that length on my back. And this is how the hair looks like when it's in front. And it comes to about here on me. So like right above or like right on my chest area. The hair smells like it's packaged. Like it doesn't have just like no scent. And it doesn't like stink, but it smells like the package if you guys want to know, because some hair smells really bad and then some hair has no scent, but this hair just smells like the package. A lot of people wash their hair before they put it on, so if you want to watch it, you can definitely do that. Me, I don't wash my wigs, I just put them on, so yeah, it didn't really bother me. And also too, when you put product in your hair and hairspray, the scent kind of gets gone, it kind of goes away, so I don't think it really matters. But yeah guys, this is the hair. I hope you guys like it. You guys should actually really try this hair. I would tell you guys if the hair was bad. I wouldn't tell you guys if the hair is bad, because I wouldn't even do the video. I wouldn't do the video. If the hair was bad, I wouldn't do the video. I would just contact them and said, listen, your hair's crap and I can't do the video. But I'm in front of you guys today with the hair on because the hair is actually very good. Like I said, no shedding at all. Obviously, if you pluck the front, there's gonna be shedding. That's gonna happen, that's a given. But other than that, there's no shedding. And yeah, I really like it. It's super cute. And yeah, I'm such a nerd. Anyways, thank you so much to Asteria for sending me this hair. You guys, like I said, I love this hair. I wouldn't tell you guys if I didn't like it. I would be honest with you guys, or like I said, I wouldn't even do the video. But this hair is actually very, very nice. So yes, again, thank you so much to Asteria Hair for sending me this hair. I love it, and I know you guys will love it too. I will leave all of the information down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out, you guys. Yeah, that is basically it. This hair is really nice, and I'm happy to have this little wig for the summer, you know? Showing out. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye. The things you do.